Morning, YouTube. Today we're gonna go get the Golf, bring it down to the shop, start tearing it apart. We got parts ordered. We're gonna get that back together. I'm gonna try to film as much as I can. No guarantees, but yeah, let's do this. There she is. You can see her in there. Well, we'll do a quick unboxing for you guys. Here's the start of the parts for the Golf. Got some gaskets. It's a giant box for gaskets. Bag full of valves. Some high temp gray sealant. Fancy Volkswagen head studs. Well, that's that, I guess. That was simple. We have 2 more packages coming. We got the timing belt, water pump kit, and we have the special tool for the head studs. So when that comes in, do another unboxing, and then hopefully we'll start shooting on taking the car apart. And then we have this crazy fucker thinking he could do lights. And then this guy always wasting our fucking time.
Let's get my frickin' Yeti.
Uh-huh.
Fucking thieves in this shop.
Bunch of thieves.
What do you need?
I need some zip ties.
Where are they?
Here we are. It's Saturday morning. Last night I got a little ahead of myself, didn't have the camera, and started taking some stuff off. We got the plug wires and the coil packs off, and see how far we get today. Monday we'll probably do a lot more when Brent's around. Gonna give me a hand. Yeah, well, let's see how much of this tangled crap we can get off of here. All these vacuum lines. I'm gonna do some research, figure out which ones I can do without, which ones I don't or do need. Alright, here's where we're at right now. Valve cover off. Giant intake octopus thing off. Valve cover off. Thanks to Brent for this little handy idea. I was gonna get worried that I would forget which vacuum lines went where. So we're gonna zip tie, color code. Got it written down in the notes on my phone, so I won't forget. We got my piece of shit intercooler off. Think I'm gonna have to look into ordering a new one. When I say ordering a new one, I mean a bigger, better one. Fuel lines off, belt off. It's kind of it for now. Me and Brent will do more Monday. Trying to shoot as much as I possibly can. See if I can do some time lapse. Yeah, so we will resume this on Monday, and yeah, hopefully we'll get the head off, see just how bad the damage is. Been a long day Monday. Nothing. I'm recording. Shushy.
Sushi?
Shh. thanks to a lot of Brent's help, we got her out. No more head. You can really see the damage in there. All the way down. So tomorrow I'm gonna put it in the parts washer, wash it out. Tomorrow I'm gonna take it apart. What's going on, YouTube? We started on the head. Didn't have the camera, of course, because, well, why would I? Got the valves out, and they're bad. If I can get in there. That's all the exhaust valves were like that. Nice and sideways. We'll grab. One of these is not like the other. We got 3 in, working on these. New valve seals. And once the parts come in, the tools, we'll get these done. What's going on, everybody? Back to the shop. It's Thursday. Gonna start doing all the intake valves. I actually remembered the camera this time. We got exhaust all done. Starting intakes. We'll get all those done today. And then after that, Friday, we will probably finish putting this back together. Then we can finish putting that back together, as long as we don't have any parts in for customer stuff. Because, you know, here at the shop, customer stuff comes first. This is just side project stuff. Yeah, that's the game plan today. Get some work done. See you in the next one.
Standing in the rain, freezing cold and soaking wet. Came to hear his favorite DJ play a set. Couldn't get a ticket. It was a sold-out show, and all he wanted was to be front row. Heard the roar of the crowd, and he closed his eyes, dreaming what it'd be like to be inside. To the wall. And the crowd went crazy. Then the beat dropped. The sound was amazing.
Alright, as you can see, we got the first half, cylinder 1 and 2, quote unquote, cylinder 1 and 2 anyways. Half out, going pretty quick now that I have a proper tool. It's not all janky. It's actually making short work of all this. Got some YouTube going in the background. Nice. Empty shop. We can just sit here and work. Well, not really empty. We have quite a bit of stuff to work on. Waiting for parts for most of it. But let's get this other half done. And we'll be back.
Heard the record be scratched that way. He got his cash in the very next day. Bought a beat up turntable in a second-hand store. He couldn't scratch, couldn't mix, or do none of them tricks. But what he did know for sure was this: that one turntable felt good in his hand. He put his headphones on and came up with the plan. Keep cutting and scratching and he beat a man with the treble up high and the bass way down low.
And there we have it. All the valves are out. Got all our springs, all our little caps, a pile of garbage valves. I already took one for trophy. to remind myself that how much of a pain in the ass this was. I'm gonna pop out all the valve seats. See it in there, a little on the guide there. Get a look at it from the other side. I'm not gonna film putting the seats back on. It's kind of boring. Shoot a little bit of the process of grinding them down and go from there.
Solid line.
There we have
On
it.
the outside, and then you do one
All
on the
valve
inside.
seals are in.
Kind of just includes these wires. You just kind of adhesive them in.
Now it's
Next thing I'm
time
gonna do is go
to
outside the car. I'm gonna go ahead and
grind and seed all of these and put them back in.
my marks are where my
One way to go. DJ Hero. Stars in his eyes. DJ Stars. He'll come alive tonight. Check this out. In a town without a name. On the road doing sold out shows. Now he's the man.
The best way we know how.
Here's half of it
This
done.
is going to be something that turns out great. It's not going to be something that's noticeable, and I now have a nice, good seal around that top that'll like make the water just fly
Nice
right off, or
and
do whatever the hell that trim piece did before.
more-
the tape
no more
is,
shine.
my guidelines.
As you can
it's
see,
all, like,
compared
nice, but the tape is the guidelines. The tape will
to
make
this,
it even square. And,
we want
I'm
this.
gonna let this stuff dry up
This.
for about an hour. That's when it
To
kinda
this.
starts to get a little bit tacky around the edges. Well, not even tacky. Tacky is the wrong word. It gets a little bit actually firmed up just around the edges. I'm gonna peel off all that tape so I won't get any strings with it.
Come on.
And then
There we go.
that'll be done to dry.
So there's half done.
We'll have a nice
I'm gonna do this side.
DIY trim piece there. So the next thing that
See you on the other side.
do is pull off, come out and say hi. Like I
And there we have it.
It'll be there even if it rains.
All the valves in. All valves ground down. Seated.
So I hope you guys enjoyed it. It was a really sporadic one. We had to run
I'm not gonna film
but that's kind of what happens
anything
when
putting
you're
those in.
doing final touches on a daily
I
driver.
figure it's
You can't take any shortcuts, or else you have to live with those for a
kind of boring.
time to work on any of my cars that aren't in a series.
Yeah, it's all done.
If you guys like this rebuild and you want
Just gotta
support, we just got these new
put all
shirts
the
in. They're
valve
fancy.
springs in, and
Shirts. Anybody that did a pre-
once we get all the valve springs put in,
Thank you so much for those, and those are shipping out immediately.
put the head back on and put her all back together.
Pick one up.
But that's gonna do it for this video.
Which is kind of the inverse print of this.
Sorry this video's been all up in the air, all over the place.
And people have been commenting what's the next build and stuff like that. It's gonna be the Mustang and the Camaro.
This project has been on my free time when the shop's not open, so every few days when I have some time, that's when I get to knock it out. So if you liked the video, give it a like if you didn't like it, comment, subscribe if you feel, and we'll see you in the next one when we put it all back together.